Bangladesh is a country where almost 95% people they are Muslim, and I think all of you know that the Muslims they have two biggest occasion. One is Eid ul-Fitr, another one is Eid ul-Adha. So these two biggest occasion are the biggest occasion of our Bangladesh also. So I want to talk something about this. Several types of things happened during this time. First of all, family reunion for job purpose, for education purpose, and for earning the livelihood. Many people they stay different places, they stay outside of their family, but at this time people try to come back to their native place, they try to come back to their family, and they try to enjoy the moment together. So these things happened in Eid time. And then second thing is people try to buy clothes for their child, for their father, mother, for their family, and for their relatives. And different types of brands they also try to provide discounts, and they try to offer different types of things. Actually this is a festival for the brands, for the supermarket owner, for the market owners, and for the different types of sellers also. And then actually during this time, during Eid day or after the Eid day, people try to invite their friends, their neighbors, and their relatives to their home. So all of these things actually create a positive vibe. And not only this, but also sometimes people try to donate money to the poor so that they can also enjoy the festival. So I think you can understand that how much positive vibes we get during the Eid time. And then several types of TV channel they try to arrange different types of special TV program so that the people they can enjoy this moment, they can enjoy they actually try to fulfill the purpose of entertainment. And in my case actually Eid is special because during this time all of my childhood friends, all of my school friends they come back to their village, and I also come back to my village, and we try to spend a good time. We try to make hangout, we try to go here and there, and we try to recall our sweet memories. And you can say it's one type of reunion to our friends. And all of these things actually very nostalgic for me. That's why I always wait for the next Eid. Now we live in modern age, we stay here and there, only through technology we are actually connected, but it's not enough. I think the face-to-face communication, the family reunion, the friends reunion, all of these things they are very much necessary. So I think this type of festivals they create this opportunity. And you know that festival celebration they are part and parcel of our day-to-day life. Okay, we have a busy time, we spend our time very busy way, but again during this time actually we get this opportunity to be free and to go our native place and to spend some special memories. So that's a simple video I just want to share with you.